Okay, hey guys, today I'm switching up things a bit. I'm not doing any unboxing or nor am I doing any cubing videos. Today I'm gonna do a teardown of these all headphones which are broken. And this headphones, I did an unboxing of this some time ago, and there's a time when it comes that your stuff will break. I'm so proud of the stuff that it broke. Okay, fine. So let's start with this broken one. So I'm just gonna take a screwdriver, just try to see from where I can open it. It's hard to actually see. Oh, that was a bit too easy. Yep, okay, so we could see the speakers over here. And yep, so I guess it will be the same for the other. Is it this wire? This wire? I have a lot of questions, so let's just remove this quickly. Okay, so I just remove this out. And now, yes, you can see the inside, and this wire is this wire. Yep, it's the same wire. So this wire passes to the headphone to the other side. The other side is not broken, so I'll just remove that too, in case, you know. Okay, oh, did I just break something? No. You see the battery over here, this is the battery, and maybe the check. So, yeah, let's just remove this again. This is a lot of sound. Okay, and now here you go. Inside we can see all the motherboard and the place where the Bluetooth is. Yeah. So that's all about this headphone. I can't break this headphones anymore. So I'm gonna conclude by saying that's all about this headphone. Yep. It just became a total mess. Let's move on to the next headphones, which is my old buddy. And I don't feel like tearing it down, but anyways, I'm just gonna open it up. This is taking some time. Oh, I got through it. I got in it. And wait. Yeah, it's right here. Oh my god, this is so hard to do. I'll meet you after I start removing this, okay? So hey guys, I'm back and I open it up. It's okay. It's a very big headphones to say. And so the speakers is here, like we saw on the last headphones, and there are a lot of stuff. Just see, there are a lot of wires. That's the main problem of this headphones. And there are a lot of wires tangled to each other. So for me this end got cut. So when I was trying to make it proper, this had so much wire, so I couldn't find any replacements for it. Now the mic, yeah. We only have one wire for the mic which separates into 3 wires at the end. I don't understand why they kept it in this pattern. Let's just check the wire for a second. I just check the mic, how it's put inside. And now the mic should be able to come out. Yes, it did. And there are nuts all over my place. And that's fine. I'll just clean afterwards. Can you see? This is the whole thing. This is a lot of components for 50 grams. That's why I said it's worth it. And there's even one more inside this, which I don't want to remove, as it's the same thing as this one. This is the main ear, and this is another ear. So let's move this aside. That was a big one though. And this one, I don't actually feel like removing this one, as this is one of the most comfortable headphones. But I just don't know how to. There are like 5 wires, but I don't know how to fix it. So I don't have any other option. And I just don't want to remove this. So I'm not removing this. I'm just keeping this as one of my oldest headphones. This has been here for like 5 years or 6 years or something. This is such a good headphone. This is so comfortable. Yep. So that's all for the video. And this is what we found out today. So this is the simplest thing this can ever get to. So this is the Bluetooth earphones, and we find all the components inside the right ear. This is the main ear. So this is the very good one, and we have the big one, which is very huge, very heavy, and it's a bit comfortable only. It's not that comfortable, but it's fine. It's worth it for the money. Thank you guys. If you like whatever I did today and you want me to do anything more like this, please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.